Hello class 2. Here now in this video I will take your GK class. Okay children. So after a long time I am taking your GK class. So are you enjoying your GK class? Have you enjoyed those chapters you have completed? Have you learned and have you completed every task? So if not, please do it. Okay, today we will do chapter 4. We have already completed 3 chapters of this book and the name of this book is Junior Knowledge Part 2. Isn't it? All of you are having this book? Yes. Now take out a pencil and let us start a new chapter of this book. All of you open your book at page number 3. We will do page number 5. We will do page number 5 of this book and the name of the chapter is Water and its Forms. Water and its forms. So all of you know water, isn't it? What is water? Our life, isn't it? Without water we cannot survive. So and forms of water means it has got mainly 3 forms, isn't it? 3 forms of water, isn't it? Ice is one form, solid form, liquid form, and water has also gaseous form, isn't it? So now here we will study about water and its forms according to your understanding level, children, according to class 2's standard 2's understanding level. Okay, now what we have to do here, see, read the question with me. Number 1, water in different forms makes the thing shown in the picture. See, you can see 6 pictures here. So here in the picture you can see the pictures of water in different forms. Okay, so and now ring their names. You will see here and here jumble words, isn't it? Puzzle is there, so you have to find out the words. Looking at the picture here, you have to find the word, the word from was by using the letters given here. Okay, by using the letters given here, you have to see the picture carefully, then make use of the letters and write the exact word what have you seen in the pictures. See, what can you see in the first picture? See, you can see some object like balls, isn't it? Round shape, and the balls are of what? They are made up of water and they are called hail, isn't it? Hailstones, isn't it? So you can find out the word here. See, here it is done for you. H-A-I-L, hail. The first one is done for you. It is hail. Now second picture. Come to the second picture. What can you see? You can see a house and it's raining. It's raining. So you have to find out the water, the form of the water. This is in which form? What can you see? You can see it's you can see that it is raining, isn't it? So rain. So pick out the word from here, circle it. What do you mean by rain? Drops of water that falls from the sky, rain. Can you find out? See properly. Number 2. See, I'll do it for you. Rain. Number 2. This way you will go. Cross, across. See, R-A-I-N. Rain. See, I have done. R-A-I-N. Rain. Second picture, what can we see? Rain. So, all of you, please do it. R-A-I-N. Rain. Now, next picture, what can you see? In the next picture, you can see some thick clouds like. Now, isn't it thick clouds that forms near the closer to the surface of the earth? See, this one properly, thick clouds. They are white thick clouds. They form close to the earth and makes it difficult for us to see to a long distance, isn't it? What is that? Try to find out in number 3. Can you make something? F-O-G. Fog. So what is fog? I'll do it for you. You also do in the, you will do in the book itself. So fog. Fog means thick white clouds. They are form of clouds and they are formed closer to the surface of the earth. They are thick form clouds. See. So you will make here cloud. Fog. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Fog. F-O-G. Fog. Fog are thick white clouds which are formed close to the earth's surface and makes us difficult to see a far distance. Okay. Now in the 4th picture, what can you see? You all love to see it, isn't it? You all love to see this, isn't it? What is this? This is cloud. What is cloud? Cloud is mass of water drops, isn't it? You have seen clouds flying in the sky, isn't it? They float, not flying, or they floats. So they float in the sky. Clouds float in the sky. So a number of times before it rains also we can see clouds floating in the sky. They float in the sky before it rains, isn't it? So try to find out the word from here. Clouds. See, I'm doing it for you. Here, C-L-O-U-D. Cloud. C-L-O-U-D. Cloud. So what are clouds? Clouds are what? They are mass of water droplets, isn't it? They float in the sky, isn't it? Cloud. Now next picture you see properly. What is the picture? See, you can see the petal of a flower. Some water droplets are fallen over, are formed on the petal of the flower. So they are called what? They are called dews. What are they? Drops of water that forms on plants, on trees, on leaves, on the petals of the flower. So can you find out dew? See here. D-E-W. Dew. So you make another word, dew, that is number 5. So you can write like this. See properly. Means drop of water that forms on plant or leaves during the night. They fall on plants, on the leaves of the plants, on the petals of the or on flowers during the night. So they are called dew. D-E-W. So I think you have already done dew. D-E-W. Dew. And the last picture, see properly. What can you see? What can you see? Snow. Find out the word from here. Snow. From where you can form S-N-O-W. Snow. Do it fast. So snow are soft. Snow are what? Soft, small, white pieces of frozen water, isn't it? See, S-N-O-W. Snow. This is S-N-O-W. Snow. So snow are soft and small pieces of water, means frozen water, isn't it? So these are all these are the forms of water. They are different forms of water. So we have learned about the different forms of water in this exercise in chapter number 4. So here we have written the names, 4 pictures. This is hail, then this is rain, this is fog, this is cloud, this is dew, and this is snow, isn't it? We have done it. Clear? Now we will do number 2. We use this for traveling on water. Name them. See, pictures are given here. Again 6 pictures are given. So we use all these on while we travel on water. Okay, so when we use all this when we travel on water. Water day. See, number 1, what is this? Number 1, this is sailboat. You can find the answers here. See, I have written for you all the answers. Number A, sailboat. Clear? So this is what? This is sailboat. Right here, sailboat. Here you will get it. Sailboat. Then number B, what is the picture? Canoe. This is number B, C-A-N-O-E. Okay, this one, canoe. See, right here. Then number C, very simple, you all know this. This is the picture of a ship. See, it's given here. C, ship. Number C is ship. Then number D. Number D is motorboat. Number D is motorboat. Then number E. See the picture, number E. Number E is water scooter. Number E, water scooter. This is number E. And the last one, see, number F. Number F is raft. R-A-F-T, raft. So children, you write all this in the blanks. Okay, this way you will complete the page number. You will complete page number 5. Clear? Is it clear to you? So number 1 is sailboat. First picture. This is sailboat. Done. Then number B is canoe. C-A-N-O-E. Number C is ship. S-H-I-P. Ship. Then number D is motorboat. M-O-T-O-R-B-O-A-T. Motorboat. Then number E is water scooter. You have seen scooter, na? Have you seen water scooter? They travel on water. They run on water. So they are known as water scooter. See, here it's given water scooter. W-A-T-E-R-S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Water scooter. And the last one is, say this one. This one is R-A-F-T. Raft. R-A-F-T. Raft. Is it clear to you? So please children, you write everything and then see the video properly. Listen to me what I have said, what I have explained to you. Then write it properly in the copy, in the book itself, and please send it for correction. Okay. Thank you.